What's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy Lil Tony, and y'all already know what it is and what it ain't. Today, baby, we back with another live BTS performance at the MMAs 2018. You know what I'm saying? They performing all the songs. I got this recommendation in the comments section. I appreciate that. We finna, y'all already know. I ain't been reacting to none of BTS videos because I'm still trying to learn more. The recent video that I reacted to was J-Hope Chicken Noodle Soup. It's because they came out. But I'm going to get back onto reacting to the music videos to know more on the music side. But I'm still learning, you know what I'm saying? So let's get into this live performance at the MMAs 2018. Let's get into it.
보여지는 게 솔직히 약간 연기하면서 상당히 재미나는 것 같아요.
Is this the intro of the... This how they coming? Oh no.
I should not only your true self, but also your big self.
Intro so strong though. The intro so strong though. Got a meaning behind it. Got a meaning behind it. It got a meaning. Wait, before we get to the good part. It's just like just saying like they was in the dark, like when all the people was hating on them, you know, all the haters out there that was hating on BTS, and they was just, you know what I'm saying, high and not responding to it. And then boom, BTS, they back. What's up? We came through diversity. We came through all the gimmicks and all the lies. We didn't pass that. But we said, what y'all said we can't do, we did. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to BTS, man. They came, they went through a lot, yo. Shout out to the armies all over the world. Let's get it. Look at that crowd. Love yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. Love yourself. Ooh. Okay. Hey. Ah. Energy so strong. Woo. Came in strong. They setting that tempo. They setting that tempo. Hold on, wait. Let me try to name all 7. Jungkook, V, Sugar, Jin, J-Hope, RM, and who I'm missing? Jimin. All 7 members right there. Stop playing with me. Give me my respect. Shout out to all the armies all over the world. And y'all wanted to know my birthday, June 18th, 1998. Gang. I just had to do that, though. I had to do that. I'm coming a long way. I'm not these other YouTubers. I'm sorry I have paused. I'm not these other YouTubers. I'm really learning BTS. I don't care. Shout out to the armies all over the world. Stop playing with me. See, I think that's what they was saying. They was hiding. They wasn't saying nothing to y'all. We let y'all talk about us. We let y'all talk bad about us. But we came back. We fought through the tough times. We coming through. And now y'all can't say nothing. What's up? We out of the what? That's what I'm getting from it. Thank Lord. You hear that crowd? Do you hear that crowd? Telling you, the moves on point. Hey, bro, I know that energy in that crowd. You hear them? Yeah, man. Why you so? Babe, you hit a crowd. Oh my God. That was so well put together, dog. I'm just into it, like, cause it's a meaning behind it. Wait, I know I messed up. If y'all still watching the video, I missed it. I missed the name. I missed Sugar. If I think when I named all 7, I think I missed Sugar. Sorry, I just thought about it.
힘들지? 좀 힘들긴 하지.
아 그래도 뭐 힘들어도 이게 행복한 거 아닌가?
The crowds be so crazy, bro. I ain't lying.
연습생 때 꿈꾸던 게 이런 거잖아.
행복하다. 편집 보러 가자.
BTS and the US going crazy.
Thank you very much. Please, Army, remember what we say. Love myself, love yourself. 정말 사랑하고 감사합니다. 저 놓지 못해서 생각하겠습니다.
Crazy. Crazy, they ended it off with a bang. Ah, look at that stadium. Ooh. Oh, sorry, I was waiting on that part. I don't know what happened. What happened? The sound just went out on the video. I don't know. That's not me. It's the video. I done skipped it up. It's no sound. See if I skip it back. It's sound. So, I guess I'm ending the video here, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, man. It's your boy Lil Tony. Hey, I kinda like, no, I ain't kinda like it. I love this, you know what I'm saying? Live performance. If y'all made it here to the end, I messed up. You know what I'm saying? If you made it to the end, that means you gonna subscribe, right? So just let me explain myself. Let me say the all 7 BTS members again, cause I forgot Suga name. Jin, Jimin, Suga, V, J-Hope, RM, and Jungkook. 7 right there. I messed up at the beginning of the video, but I got it now. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to the armies all over the world. It's your boy Lil Tony. I'm out.